Where Is My Mind by the Pixies is going to be played in standard tuning, and it comes out of E-shaped chords. For this song, you'll need to know an E major, you'll need to know a C sharp minor, you'll need to know a G sharp major, you'll need to know an A major, you'll need to know an A minor, and you'll need to know a B chord. This song is easy in the sense that it's the same chords that repeat over and over. This song is hard in the sense that they're pretty much all bar chords that you'll need to be making. The first chord, the E major, is the kind of only standard chord in the song. You're going to have an open 6th string, your second finger on the 5th string 2 fret, your ring finger on the 4th string 2 fret, your first finger on the 3 string 1 fret, open 2, open 1. The song begins with an up strum. You can hear those high registered strings come in, and then like up, down. Up, down, down, down is kind of the strum on the E. And then you're going to go to a C sharp minor. The C sharp minor is going to be barring with your first finger across the 4th fret of guitar, then ring finger on the 4 string 6th fret, pinky finger on the 3 string 6th fret, second finger on the 2 string 5 fret. So you've got the E. I'm going down, up, or up, down, 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 up, kind of as the strumming pattern on this E chord. I think that I left the last down, up whenever I mentioned it last time. Then the C sharp minor. Out of the C sharp minor, you'll lift up your fingers and just move your, not all your fingers, you'll leave your first finger in bar position, but you'll lift up your ring, pinky, and second finger off the fretboard and just move them down a set of strings so that now your ring finger is on the 5 string 6th fret, your pinky finger is on the 4 string 6th fret, and your second finger is on the 3 string 5 fret. Down, 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 up. The strumming pattern here. And then you'll hit down, down again, and on that last down, slide the chord up 1 fret so that you've now got an A bar chord. So I've taken the exact same shape that we were just playing with this G sharp, and we're just sliding it up. Now the strumming pattern here will be a down, down, up, down. And whenever you're strumming up, you'll lift your second ring and pinky fingers off the fretboard so that whenever you're strumming up, what is coming through audibly is basically these notes behind your second ring and pinky fingers that would be grabbed by your first finger bar. And you don't want that to, like, we're not really emphasizing that. It's just kind of this passing phrase that exists in this chord. Down, down, up, down. And then back into the E. For this. All right, so those are the chords to the verse, and it keeps running that until like the last time through the kind of chorusy part where some instrumentation drops out. You'll hear guitars come in and really kind of emphasize the last round of an E to a C sharp minor to a G sharp to an A, and then it repeats with kind of a build of E, 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 then the G sharp instead of going to the C sharp. And then it goes to the A, holds that for 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you flat the third of the chord. So it's an A major to begin with. Your second finger that you have on the 3 string 6th fret is the third of this chord. Flat that, so you lift it up to make it a minor. So you make it an A minor. If you want to play the A minor the traditional way up here, feel free. And then it ends with a C sharp minor, the same as before. That decays, and then you have another build before you go into the main progression, and that build happens on a B major. So I'm playing this B major kind of with two guitars in the intro to this tutorial. One guitar I'm playing it as a bar chord up here on the 7th fret, because in the album recording I feel like I can hear these notes happening during that build. So my first finger is barring the 7th fret of the guitar, then ring finger on the 5 string 9 fret, pinky finger on the 4 string 9 fret, second finger on the 3 string 8 fret, and then that bar on the 7 fret the rest of the way. Or if you want to play a lower B position down here, you can do that as well. After that build, it goes back into the main progression. Now I will say after like the second chorus on this build, it just holds that B for an extended period of time as the guitars are kind of doing a kind of pseudo solo over that B, and then it goes back into the main progression. Alright, so the main riff that you hear happening in this song something along those lines. So the way that I'm playing that is I've got my ring finger on the 2 string 5 fret, and then I've got my second finger on the 1 string 4 fret, and I'm just alternating between the 2 string and the 1 string. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it does it for 2 measures of 4. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat, 2, 3, 4, and then leave your second finger where it is on the 1 string 4 fret, but lift your ring finger off of the 2 string 5 fret and put your first finger down on the 2 string 4 fret. And you'll go 1, 2, there, so like 2, 1, 2, 1 on the strings. And then you'll come back to your second finger on the 2 string 5 fret, strike that and the open 1 string together, and go down, up, down, and then go with your first finger to the 2 string 4 fret, pluck that so you get a little bit of kind of this dissonance between the 2 string 4 fret and the open 1 string, and then come back with your second finger or slide your first finger, whichever you want to do, to the 2 string 5 fret to round that E back out, and we're doubling it with the 1 string being open. So it's and that's what the lead part is doing. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to approach the song. That is Where Is My Mind by the Pixies.